Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a pet grooming business with PetSmart, full guide step by step clearly. First, research the pet grooming industry to understand current trends and market demand. Identify your target audience and potential customer base in your area. Consider your qualifications and experience in pet grooming or if you need to complete additional training. Explore various pet grooming courses offered online or in person to enhance your skills. Check local regulations, permits, and license requirements for starting a grooming business. Create a detailed business plan outlining your services, pricing, and marketing strategies. Choose a suitable location for your grooming business, whether in a retail space or as a mobile service. Establish a budget that includes startup costs, equipment, supplies, and operational expenses. Purchase essential grooming tools such as clippers, brushes, shampoos, and tables. Invest in high-quality safety equipment, including muzzles and non-slip surfaces for safety. Build a brand name that reflects your services and resonates with pet owners. Create a professional website to showcase your services, prices, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to promote your business and connect with potential customers. Consider partnering with PetSmart to leverage their brand, services, and customer base. Contact PetSmart to inquire about partnership opportunities or grooming programs they offer. Join local pet-related events or community gatherings to network and promote your services. Offer promotional deals or discounts to attract first-time clients and encourage word-of-mouth referrals. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build a loyal clientele. Collect feedback from customers to continuously improve your services. Stay informed about the latest pet grooming trends and techniques through workshops and seminars. Evaluate your business performance regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Continue to grow your skills and knowledge to provide the best service possible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.